Hiya peeps, Sean Connelly here. Just wanted to thank you for all of you who took the survey to help better streamline my advice hours to get as many people in at times that work the best for everybody. I did my best trying to intersect the three schedules, but also give each class its own personal time. Now, if you're in the English 1B and you're one of my Puente students, a couple things you should notice is we've got a special hour for you that was the hot spot for those 1B students. That's Thursday 12 to 1. You can also drop in and talk to me and Liz Tuesday at 10. That's going to be through her Cranium Cafe. You can like jump into her lobby. Now, English 75B students, I've got two sections for you. Of course. Thursday 3 to 4 seem to be like the most optimal time. Now, other things that I will let you in on is that I also have 5 hours, which are my required hours anyway. Monday 11 to 12, Monday 2 to 3, Wednesday 2 to 3, and then Friday 9 to 10. And that, again, like hit the most likes out of the surveys that I took. So keep in mind, if you can't come to any of those times, I get it. There's no way I could make a perfect schedule for everybody. We're all going lots of different directions at once. That being the case, send me a quick reminder. Send me a text. That's the fastest way to get a hold of me because it comes up like a text. And if you want to meet with me at some other time during the week or in the evening or even on the weekend, let me know and we'll find some way to work it out. Again, my number one job is making sure that you guys are doing the learning you need to do so that you pass the class with the skills that you need to keep moving forward. After that, it's all gravy. Anyway, this is a really short video just to let you know about that change in that schedule. Thanks again for everybody who took those surveys. I'm going to post this on the front page or the home page of our class, of our classes, and you can get it there. But I'm also going to send it to you in email and text. And I strongly recommend you just take a snap of it, keep it as a favorite photo, at least for this semester. That way you know exactly when is the best time to just let's drop into Zoom. I'll have my Zoom on during those hours. You don't even need to tell me. If you want to reserve a space, that's fine too. That's all I really had to say. Hope you're having a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.